Crazy ass time. There we go. Right outside CFH. Go kart. Snow. Everyone's running. See, there's not that much snow around. Look at me. Hi, you can't see me, but I'm smiling. There's the snow. Seems like the janitors got lazy and didn't feel like she paid me during a blizzard. She paid me, I'll shovel it with the snowplow. The safe zone. No wind. Well, wind. Not that much snow. Very, very slick though. So, let's hope I don't drop my phone. By the way, not too much snow here.
Snow's got nothing on me.
I agree. The gym, here one. The new building. One random person walking up. Eventually we will hit the lake. I will go there after a stop at Simpson Dining Hall. See who's there. Hi. Like the snow knows who I am. Cars inside the garage. Look at all this snow on the ground. There's the bus stop. There's Cutler. There's the Life Sciences through this shit. Two more students up ahead. Campus safety. Cars all inside. Snow, more snow. No cars over there. Keep going. Actually, not that bad right now. Cab driver. CTA still running. Car. Here's a car right here. Passing by. Walk, even though it says do not walk.